Hey guys, what's up? It's Anthony, and it's been a really long time since I have uploaded a video, and I should have grabbed my tripod from inside, but I got something new to show you guys today. As you can see from the title and thumbnail, it's going to be the new Jeep, new project, and if you go back to my first couple videos, you'll actually see my old XJ. That's what I got again, but a newer one this time. My last one was a 90. This one is a 99, so let's go ahead and show you guys. So here it is. She's a little rough, but you know, still pretty shiny. There's a little ding right here. There's some sap and stuff like that on the hood, on the window. The windshield and the windows are all 5% tint, which I think I'm just gonna pull the tint off the windshield because that's really illegal, and then just say screw it and run the side windows, because legal limit is only like 27%. It's already got LED headlights, clear marker lights with LEDs in it, but we need to put some resistors in there. It's got some brand new, what are these, Toyo Open Country, Open Country tires. Somebody rhino lined the bottom half of this and the back here, so it kind of sucks just a little bit that they did this. It's kind of like peeling and popping, so they did the fender flares, the rear part of the bumper, the tail lights, the back bumper. So we got a little bit of cleaning up to do. Looks like somebody tried to repair some damage here, so we'll have to fix that. Back glass is so dark, like you can't even hardly see in there. Here's this side. Sorry, the garage is a mess. Same thing, taillights, bumper, quarter. The missing a fender flare on this side. It's super rusted away. So, but that's okay because we're gonna do cut and fold, I think. So we cut it from here and fold all this underneath, because this is really bad. It's basically all gone, so that's no bueno. Can't even put a regular fender flare back on it. There's a little bit of rust here. They spray painted the rims, so we'll be changing those. You know, a little bit of boo-boos and stuff, but nothing that we can't fix. Give me a chance to learn some stuff. And then if you grab them, it did come with key fob and just one key, and the alarm does work, which is cool. All the locks work, all the windows roll down, but they only roll down from the master control. So either I need to open up the kick panel and splice the window lock button into itself, or get a new master control panel. But as you can see, I already cleaned it up. I got my cord for my phone, my little window mount. Gotta have that black ice in here. You know, it's really clean. There's some stains over there on that seat, you know, but otherwise it's really clean. It's all black interior, and it's got a perfect, and I mean perfect, headliner. As you can see, not a single stain, not a single tear anywhere in this thing. You know, it is spotless, and I would pull it out, but I need to put a fan in it, which is currently sitting right there, as well as the exhaust is cut off at the cat, so this thing is ear-piercingly loud. So that's something else we gotta fix. So I need to do the exhaust and install the electric fan so that way it doesn't overheat. And I have a check engine light, and I need to figure out what that's for, so I could go and run emissions or inspection. There's a little bit of a boo-boo right here on the rocker panel, but that's fine. I think we're gonna pull this off, and, you know, get her cleaned up. I can't wait to be able to drive it. So it's also had a bunch of work done under the hood. So it's had its head gasket replaced, had a tune-up. It's still not even done with the full break-in miles. It needs a new oil change because it's over the like 100 miles or whatever. As you can see, they have the fan all ghetto rigged up, wires just like taped together and stuff. Here's the plug for the fan and the old fan. And the guy said that the plug or whatever got stuck in the back of the fan, so it's interesting. It's got just a bunch of other work and stuff like that done to it. That's loose. Yeah, but there she is, the 4-liter Glory. You know, and obviously we'll go through and we'll clean all this up and stuff like that. I just need to get plates on it because this is my daily driver, because I did trade the Ford Ranger for this. And so yeah, I kind of need a vehicle to drive currently. Me and my girlfriend are just sharing her Jeep, which it's really cool to see the Jeeps together. I might put a picture in like right now. Have them both together. But yeah, so I'm gonna try and reroute this at some point too. We're gonna undo all this janky electrical, plug the new fan in, because obviously, like I said, it's right there. I ordered a tailpipe, don't know when that's gonna come in, and then we're just gonna get a rig the exhaust and we're gonna leave it straight piped. Like I said, it needs an oil change. And I mean, that's about it. AC and everything works. I know it's got a high pinion, 30 in the front, and I believe a 35 in the rear, so I mean, it's a 35, so whatever. Definitely going to document the process of this really well. The fender liner's been cut already, but typical XJ, I'm sure it's really rusted out inside the fender. Kind of like how back there, I'm sure this is going to be really rotted out when I get to pulling them off. But right now we're just trying to get it all done. And there is a massive spider just dangling right here. That is a big ass boy. Get out of here, boy. So yeah, but here she is, my new 1999 Jeep Grand Cherokee, or Jeep Cherokee, sorry. And I believe it's got I forgot what it rolled over into on the way home. I think it's got 243,000 miles on it. Yeah, 243,000 miles. And it just rolled over into it when I was driving it home after it got traded. It does have factory radio still, AC and everything works, which is really exciting. But it's so dark in here from the tent. The camera doesn't do it justice. But yeah, power windows, power locks. Everything's power except for the seats. But yeah. Oh look, they painted this black. It used to be red. So there you guys have it. This is my new 1999 Cherokee, and I'm gonna be doing every little thing on it. We're gonna build it up and do it right. Probably gonna leave it stock for about a year or so and just get sliders, bumpers, all that taken care of, general maintenance. Wheel it like this, get some use out of these tires, disconnect the sway bars, maybe make some sway bar disconnects, or just take the sway bars completely off and go from there, you know. Man, it's kind of dirty down there. Looks like I have an oil leak too. That's not fun. So I'll have to go through that. But yeah, here she is. The next video is going to be of installing that fan. I don't know if I'm going to do it today or tomorrow. We'll see. But let me know what you guys want to see from this. Let me know if there's anything specific that you guys want to see. And has been Anthony. I'm going to talk to you guys later.